Start off with a standard.ipt. Press OK. Go to create a new sketch. At this time you want to click on the XZ plane. Go back to home view so as you can see the platform in which you're drawing on. Now taking a look at the sketch for the cow catcher, you can start off with the bottom surface of a cow catcher by drawing a straight line. Now looking at this from the top view, you can see that some of my lines are not straight, so we need to fix them. Use parallel and connect my line. Okay, so now that I've gotten my shape a little bit straight, I now can dimension it. Starting with the base 1.8, .25, and from the base to the point here, 1 inch. Use equal to make these two equal. And we also need a dimension from the point to the side, which is half of D0, which is 1.8. That's your base. We now need to finish the sketch and use a feature called work plane. Offset from the plane. Here's the plane I need to offset from. I'm going to drag up, and it tells me that the height is 0.75. I'm going to create a new sketch. On that new sketch, I'm going to project my geometry. The only geometry I need on this one is this back line. I take that back. Let's go ahead and bring as much as we can forward. My line for the back line has to be 1.2 according to the top view there. .25 is the height for the side on both sides. Next, you would need to complete your shape and place the rest of the dimensions on to complete that shape. So as I'm looking, I see 0.6 at the top and 0.75, not 1 inch, and 0.25. That's for the base. So keep that in mind that the numbers are different at the top than they are at the bottom. I'm now designing the top. So from the baseline, this is 0.75. And from the side, it's 0.6 or half of the base. This also helps center it, but not completely. If I take 1.8 minus 1.2, parentheses, take that total and divide it by 2, it will give me 0.3 to center my part. Finish the sketch, and you're going to use the feature loft. Click on the inside, right click, should allow you to continue. The workspace I don't need visible anymore. I am now going to place dimensions on for the back. In this case, I need solid circles, not center points. Dimensioning from the edge to the point. The dimension for center point to center point is 0.625. The dimension from center point to center point of the bases is 1.25. The dimension in the corner here tells me the location of the first hole. It really doesn't matter which end you do this from. So as you can see that is 0.125 and 0.275. Dimension, the circle itself, is right here where it says TYP 0.125. And what I'm going to do is make all the other circles equal to the first one that I've dimensioned. Learn to flex your geometric constraints. Finish the sketch. Extrude all 3 circles, 1, 2, 3, at an extrusion distance. It shows me the distance here, again, TYP 0.125. I have to put a chamfer on at a distance of 0.01, 45 degrees. So face, apply, face, apply. Now, I should be able to place a sketch on this surface. Click on offset. And I should have a 0.10 offset dimension. Should be able to extrude, cut 0.05, and the reason why it's 0.05, 0.05, 0.5. Press OK. And if I come over to the other side, offset again, dimension, finish sketch, extrude, cut 0.05. Last thing I need to do is a shell. And it tells me that that thickness in the back is 0.1. And there is my cow catcher.